Aruba's downtown investment gets praise. Plus, in today's lifestyle segment, working out with a smile is important. We'll tell you why. And a recent partnership agreement signed will bring more Latin American golfers to the island. 15 on 15 starts right now. Hello, everybody. Thanks for joining us. I'm Yenta Liu. An immense amount of investment is being made in downtown Oranjestad. The government says the primary reason for this is to develop a better cruise ship industry on the island. According to the president of the Florida Caribbean Cruise Association, Aruba will see a return in investment in every penny spent to upgrade. According to Michelle Page, the president of the Caribbean Cruise Association, they have asked Aruba to enhance their product in the past. Since the island has delivered this request, it is time for them to do their part.
This is the time that the government is looking for the cruise industry to say, this is how we have prepared for you. This is how we've prepared for the increase in passengers and ships. So we're looking forward to bringing a very nice increase to Aruba. And the more you do to increase your product, happy passengers spend money.
Since many cruise ship passengers have already been to Aruba, they need a reason to return. Since the government of Aruba is developing downtown, it makes FCCA's job easier to get more cruise ship passengers to come.
Aruba is a very well-established destination. One of the things that we discussed with the minister that's been an impediment is that many of our passengers have already been to Aruba. And the reason that's an impediment is because they might think, been there, done that, don't want to go back. Want another notch in my belt to go to another place. That's why this is so important, because what it has done is revitalize the product. So we are able to go out there to work with the travel agent community, work with the consumer to showcase that this is a brand new Aruba.
The president of the FCCA says the island's infrastructure cannot be compared to anywhere else in the region. Cruise ship passengers will visit Aruba, tell their friends about it, then come together for a land vacation.
This is unparalleled. The amount of product that you are putting into downstream is not seen anyplace else. We are so enthusiastic because we know that the rebound will be that the passengers are also very enthusiastic. And that's one of the things that every single person in Aruba needs to understand. You are going to be able to benefit from what the government has put in place.
In other local news, with an international twist, The Voice Holland had one of the most charismatic and talented contestants yet. Luckily for us, he's from Aruba, representing the island. The performance has been uploaded on YouTube and has reached close to 8,000 hits. Check it out.
Today is gonna be the day when I'm gonna throw it back to you. Right now, you should have somehow realized what you've got to do. But I don't believe that anybody feels the way I do about you now. So what now? Steer it up, a little darling. Steer it up, come on, baby. Steer it up now. Steer it up, steer it up, steer it up now. Steer it up, steer it up, steer it up now. She said she love me and she care, but she ain't never near. You're always on the road. Let me tell you this, I can't we spend no quality time. Take that country somewhere. You're always a something fake to all. Doesn't mean I love with you, cause only when you wanna make you shout I love you. Oh, come on, make it hip hop. Gonna be the one that saves me. Yeah, and after all, you're my wonder. Whoa.
seems to be a very strong contender indeed. All the best to him. It turns out having the determination to exercise numerous times a week is not enough. You have to be happy doing it as well. Having a positive attitude and working out at the same time seems to be the perfect prescription for heart patients. Exercising can be great, or to some people it can seem like a chore, depending on who you are. According to the American Heart Association, people with cardiac disease benefit more from working out when they take a positive attitude. Patients with heart disease who are more positive were more likely to exercise more, therefore live longer than those who had negative feelings. Moods and habits were analyzed in the study. It was discovered the most positive patients when exercising had a 42% less chance of dying than those with a negative attitude. Patients with a positive mood and who exercised cut their risk of hospitalization. Moving forward, prolonged sitting may contribute to the risk of depression. This is according to a new study. Spending less time in your chair can lower your risk of heart disease, and now it is even said that it lessens feelings of depression. A study was conducted that examined the relationship between sitting, activity level, and depression. Researchers found in the study that women who sat the most, more than 7 hours a day, had a 47% higher risk for depressive symptoms than women who sat the least, less than 4 hours a day. But inactivity had a greater effect on mood. Women who aren't physically active had a 99% higher risk for developing depressive symptoms than those who met exercise guidelines. It is important to note women who spent more time sitting were more likely to feel down in the present moment, but the act of prolonging sitting did not necessarily mean they would experience feelings of depression years later. Good to know. Now, to women, their hair is one of the, if not the most important feature. But when we are styling it, we are doing a lot of damage. Take a look. Heat is the single most damaging thing we are overexposing our hair to. Whether it is a blow dryer, curling, or flat iron, they are all deadly to the hair, reason being they leave the hair looking dull and prone to split ends in the long run. Heat breaks down cuticle in the protective layer, which is what gives it its shine. Here are a few tips. Let your hair air dry. Set your hair dryer to cold. As your hair starts to dry, progress up to warm. Keep the blow dryer 6 inches away from your hair. Wet hair is very fragile, keep that in mind. Experts say don't comb your hair when it is wet. Also, try to use your hair iron every other day and cut down on the hairspray. So ladies, and perhaps some gentlemen, try to lay off the blow dryer once in a while. Golfing is becoming more popular in Aruba. More main events are being hosted here, bringing over more players, ultimately increasing tourism. So it is a good thing an airline has jumped on board to help promote and have available air seats for these players. Avianca, together with the Dutch Caribbean Golf Association, has signed a partnership to build and promote golf in the region. The benefits of the collaboration is explained.
For most of the international events, it's incredibly important to have a good travel partner, as players from abroad will come to Aruba to participate in our events. So I'm particularly delighted with the partnership because we have a number of international events coming up. An Avianca Championship, which we will be organizing later this year or beginning next year.
The airline says they believe golf is becoming one of the most important sports in the world, so they want to maximize opportunities for this island.
We think that golf is one of the sports that it's becoming bigger and bigger around the world and also this particular area of the Caribbean. That's why we would like to help the association in order to give some special fares, help them with some tickets, and help them promoting the island.
Avianca is a Latin American airline. Since Aruba has become an increasingly desired destination for Latin Americans, both parties will optimize opportunities to bring more golfers from the region here.
For us, the Latin America market is a very important market. It's very nearby. So we look forward to, together with Avianca in the Latin America market, explore actually getting the countries to come to Aruba and Curacao and Sint Maarten, as we represent and look forward to hosting these events in the coming years on all the islands.
That is our show for today. Thanks for watching. We'll be back here on Monday night starting at 7:15 with a brand new edition of 15 on 15. We'll see you then.
So what now, steer it up, a little darling, steer it up, come on baby, better that back for steer it up, better that back for your little darling. If you don't like steer it up and steer it up and steer it up now, steer it up and steer it up and steer it up now.